Hi everyone, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here today with your next installment for the weekly devotional. So welcome back to your weekly devotional, day 20. Okay, let me clip this and we can get reading. Praise for our senses. Smelling the scent of fresh baked bread, hearing the coo of a newborn baby, feeling the smoothness of a kitten's fur, tasting a cold burst of your favorite ice cream, seeing a gaze of love directed at you. Have you ever wondered what life would be like without senses? It'd probably be like living in total darkness and with no stimuli. But with senses, life is exciting because of all there is to see, touch, hear, smell, and taste. God gave us senses to enjoy Him, and this display of His creation to the fullest from the time we were born to the time our eyes make a final close to sleep. Without no, what a thoughtful and caring God we have. Let's praise Him for His goodness through our senses. And today's prayer is, Father, thank you for my senses, and the sheer pleasure they bring. I am sorry I often take them for granted. I am so grateful for the ways you bless me through seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, and feeling, especially the warmth, especially for feeling the warmth of your love all around. And I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I do a live, or when I do a premiere. Please be blessed, be kind, be gentle, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye for now.